Hey guys, how's it going? I'm going to show you something really cool here. So we're going to have one landing page, and the headline of the landing page is going to dynamically change based on the UTM parameter that came before it. Here I have some examples. Let's say somebody clicks on your Google ad. It says found us on Google. You're in the right place. Let's say somebody clicks on your Facebook ad. Hello, Facebook friends, check this out. That kind of thing. Holiday sale, let's say you're running an email campaign. Limited time holiday sale, shop now. Free shipping email, free shipping on all orders today, shop now. These are not four different pages. What we're doing is we're utilizing JavaScript at the bottom of the single page, and we're detecting the UTM parameter before based on UTM underscore source. Now, if you look here on this page, these are the UTM source parameters here. UTM underscore Google, Facebook holiday sale, or free shipping. You can see here it's looking for these ones and then writing a headline here. So if the UTM source is Google, make this the headline. If it's Facebook, make this the headline, and so on and so on. So if we didn't do this, again, we'd have to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different landing pages. So it's way more efficient to do things this way. And remember, when you create ads, you want your keywords to be present in your ad. You want your landing page to also contain copy from your ad as well. So this is a really good way to increase conversions without bugging a developer to make 5 different landing pages. So really you're keeping up with ad relevance here on your landing page. So your landing page stays relevant if you use this method. I actually really like this. So hopefully you guys use this. Hopefully it's useful for you. But yeah, this is something I'm pretty happy about. I'm going to give you all the code, so no worries there. Okay, have a good one. Bye-bye.